Hey, this is Christiana. I'm Monica's roommate, and she's busy making a lasagna, so I'm gonna do her voiceover. So it looks like she's starting with a moisturizer from Neutrogena. I think I actually recommended this one to her. There she is, just putting it on her beautiful face all around. Yep. Oh, and then this is the e.l.f. primer that I remember seeing like some guy doing, Jeffree Star or something, made a review about this. I'm not part of the makeup world, so I don't know, but apparently it works really well. Her eyebrows with a little spoolie thing. As you can tell, I know absolutely nothing about makeup. Oh, this has two sides to it. Okay, so she's drawing on her eyebrow with like a crayon. What is that called? I don't know. And then using the other side to spread the color out. That's actually pretty cool. Um, okay, nice, dope, dope, dope. Get that arch, eyebrows on fleek for sure. Oh, I know this. Okay, so she's now gonna start putting concealer around the eyebrow to really define the shape, and I think it's also to like get out any types of imperfections and just really make that end look super tight. I don't know what's happening here. Dab, 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 dab. Maybe it's setting powder. I don't know what's in that e.l.f. palette, but cool. Oh, more e.l.f. This is a, I don't know, is this what she's using for her transition shade, I guess? Yeah? It's a pretty pink color. It looks really good, but what doesn't look good on her, honestly? Am I right, fellas? I am. Using that, I think this is like a windshield wipe technique. Getting more of that color really enhances the pigmentation of it. I'm really surprised that e.l.f. products have this much pigment on them, but she's going for a lighter shade at the top to accentuate that brow bone, I think. I'm making things up as I go along here. Blending it with that darker color looks real nice. Go ahead, girl. Get it. Now she has a lipstick, I guess. Nope. More eyeshadow. Oh, yes, I remember her getting this. This was a liquid eyeshadow that she kind of liked, but it wasn't her favorite. I think she had a hard time spreading it around, but it looks really nice. Even though she said she had a hard time, she did a much better job than I could have. Putting some more of that darker shade to blend in the sparklies. Now we're gonna do some foundation. I know what that is. Go ahead and dab that right there on the brush, put it on the face, smooth it all around. She's using what I assume to be a good technique because I don't know. But it looks like, yeah, she's really getting in there and it's blending pretty well. I don't know how long it usually takes to blend foundation out. Getting it all over, oh, right under the eyes as well. Gonna blend it in with the neck. Yeah, I did learn about that from Sephora. I went in there one day and I said, just fix me, please. And a really nice lady sat me down and showed me how to do things, and that's why I can leave the house. Okay, so she used a brush, but now she's gonna use a beauty blender, which I guess is gonna give it more of like a mattifying look here. I can definitely see a difference already. She matched herself really good with those colors with e.l.f. Next, she's gonna do something. Okay, this is contouring. Yep, she used a darker shade, put that on her cheek, gonna blend that out. Really just make herself look just even more fantastic. She already looks like a butterfly with that concealer underneath her eyes, looking like some wings. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. Oh, she puts them on her forehead as well to actually make it into a forehead. Sorry, Onika. Just kidding. We all have 5 heads in this house. Yeah, go ahead and blend out the concealer underneath. Really brighten up the face. Make it look like you didn't just eat all the Corona snacks and put yourself into a food coma like I have been doing. Just kidding. Maybe not. Oh yes, setting powder. I know this all too well because my concealer always creases because I always use too much. Is this baking? Is that what that is? I've never done that. I don't know. She's putting quite a lot, so I'm gonna assume that this is what baking is. She's so good at it compared to me. Okay. Yep. Let that sit. Really let that sit. It's still on there, and she's gonna continue contouring, blending into the hairline, um, using some more of that good setting powder. Was that setting powder? Okay, cool. All right, I guess she's done baking. Bun is out of the oven. And this is setting spray. Yes, set it. Ooh, beat that face. Look at it. And now for the, I think these are some finishing touches. Some mascara. Oh, stabbed herself a little bit. That's okay. It's all part of the process. Mascara. That is a gorgeous color. Girl, you better put that in the link or something. What is that? What is that? What color is that? And there it is. The final product, but this isn't even her final form.